Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, auto express down window, alloy wheels, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, center armrest. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.